Yeah, it's cold here, but it's fun. Oh, you see what kind of seatbelt I had to put on, man?
What is that? What you riding?
I'm riding in my lift.
A dune buggy.
A dune buggy. Look at my driver. He got on a onesie.
Alright guys, this is our dune buggy. His name is Carl. He is a fully street legal and insured dune buggy. I'm not too sure what Uber's rules are about dune buggies. I have a feeling we might get banned.
You can't use vehicles that aren't registered on your account, and that is registered on my account, but we're not going to use that today. That's
yeah.
too common. We're going to use this.
Very good chance of us getting banned today, or
So,
Justin getting banned.
But Gabe made a good point yesterday. He said if you're going to break one rule, you might as well break all the rules.
And we also actually yesterday got done with a turbo kit. So now it is turbocharged, it is faster, it is boosted. As you can see right there.
So there's no windows, a lot of wind noise, and this thing is loud, but I don't know. If we pick up like car enthusiasts, this is gonna be cool, but we're probably not.
More than likely, this is gonna go one or two ways. Either you're gonna pick up someone that's like super pumped and like super excited, or you're gonna pick up someone that's pissed.
Oh yeah, either
One
way.
of the two.
Yeah,
We're gonna pick up quite a few pissed off people. They're gonna be going to work, all dressed up, all nice and everything, and then they see this, but
My life.
I thought I was gonna do a car with a heater. This is December, alright, it's Texas, it's not super cold, but it's gonna be windy. Like I said, the only thing protecting us from the wind is that little piece of plexiglass in the front.
this is what you should do. When you go pick them up and they're walking in, just kind of rev the motor just a little bit, go vroom, vroom.
To make it even worse, guys, it is currently 46 degrees here in Texas. It's freaking, okay, for people that don't live in Texas, that's like winter. That's like
it's
freezing.
But
that's so cold.
But so far as today, there's no wind out and it's sunny, so who knows? Oh, it's gonna be bad.
Alright guys, drop a comment right now what you think is gonna happen, and before we actually jump into it, we're gonna clean this thing because it's pretty dirty and we really don't want to pick up Uber riders with a dirty dune buggy. So let's get to it.
On the outside, looking in, I really wasn't sure what I was getting. Between the highwaves on the sea, waiting for something to get to me. I wasn't sure what I was hoping for, you see. But you act like
Special shout out to all of you guys, all 12 of you guys. Thanks for supporting the channel. We really appreciate it. It helps produce these awesome videos like today.
It's gonna be nuts.
Are you ready?
I'm 110% ready.
The buggy is clean. We got the names on the spoiler. All we gotta do now is hook up the cameras.
The cameras, start Uber, and just wait.
Yep.
Wait and game from here. Alright, for some reason, one of my documents for Uber's not working, so we're gonna use Lyft instead. As you guys can see, this is not fake, this is real. All I gotta do is swipe up top.
This is the real deal, guys.
And then we'll start picking up drivers. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna get in, we're just gonna drive around to a place where high volume of pickups, and then we'll go from there. We'll see if we get kicked off or not. And you know what? If I get kicked off a Lyft, we can still use Uber for the Jeep. So.
Oh God.
You wanna have some fun?
No.
Come on, please.
No.
There's like to that side right there.
No.
To that side. Come on.
Don't give
Come on, you will win. One side. It'll be a lot of fun. This is right there. 3, 2, 1. Looks good. Thank you. There's a dune buggy. We're running out of gas right now, and so we're having to like turn on and off to get the gas station about like half a mile up there.
Maybe it's a quick trip. There's one in the corner over here.
There is?
That's what we're
Yeah,
going.
for Exxon. That's we're going to the Exxon, and it's turbo, so we got to get the high octane one.
You guys build it?
Yeah. Well, we didn't build the buggy itself, but we modified the turbo and everything on it. That's good, man. All right, we made it to the gas station.
It was sputtering bad.
It was definitely keeping up with the Corolla. So, and this is like a.
Got no hits. It's ridiculous.
Huh?
Still got no hits.
Really? Yeah. And like all this traffic, like it's new.
I think Arlington's better, bro. I think because I got a lot of hits.
One thing I noticed, the right side sits lower than the left side.
Oh, also this thing wobbles all over the road.
Yeah, I saw you. You look like you're drunk driving.
No, it wobbles. You can ask Zach. It was just wobbling.
All right, so we had to make a pit stop in South Lake. We're waiting on Zach to bring us some parts, but they came out to us and they want to sit in it, right?
Hey. Hi. Merry Christmas.
Cool. What's y'all's names?
My name is Jack, her name is Lizzie, and his name is Tristan.
Cool.
That's Jennifer.
Mom. Cool ride you got.
Thank you.
How did it get this way?
Well, we bought it from an older gentleman about a month and a half ago. It's fully street legal, it's insured. We haven't been pulled over in it yet. Yeah, y'all are welcome to jump in it, so.
Open field.
It's me.
This is great. This is great.
This is the coolest car
See, look.
ever.
Finally got a ride after waiting like two hours, right?
Yeah, first ride, guys.
First ride, and her name's Joanne, and she looks to be like an elderly woman, so I don't know how this is gonna go.
All right, guys, we just got our first ride request, so we're picking it up right now. Here we go, first reaction.
This is gonna be funny.
Let's see what happens.
It could end of the day be like, oh, okay, yeah. Oh God, they're right there.
You wanna ride in this? Yeah. Yeah, go ahead.
Okay.
It's a fun. Yeah, either way, you just sit up front.
Okay.
It's a little fun. So the seatbelts, you got two on
Racing
one,
style?
Yeah, one on each side, yeah.
I used to race years ago.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
You think this is cool?
Yeah, it's different.
Pickup success.
I didn't think she was gonna get in.
I didn't think so either. Okay, so first trip as a mom. Good luck, Justin. Good luck. So we're chilling with the Corolla just in case anybody doesn't want to get in. They can get in the back of the Corolla because that thing is very cold.
Oh
no. Oh no. Oh no. It's stuttering. It's stuttering.
Not feeling very happy.
There we go.
What have the reactions been like?
You're actually the first one.
Oh, okay,
So-
there you go.
It's actually, we just turboed it a couple days ago.
Oh, did you?
Yeah. Have you rode in anything like this before?
Yeah, my uncle used to have a beach buggy similar to this. I'm
Oh,
from back
wow.
in Australia, and we used to ride in that all the time when I got there on holiday.
So you actually like these things?
Yeah, I do. Loads of fun. I wasn't expecting anything exciting. I like to do laundry. This is going to do laundry in style. so-
Yeah, there you go. Do things in style, I like that. So you're from Australia?
Yeah.
Oh wow. What part?
I'm from Queensland, southeast Queensland, so I'm from Brisbane.
Do you live here in the United States now?
We've
or?
just moved.
Oh,
yeah.
you just got here.
Yeah, we arrived on the 31st of October.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
She said she loves it. So glad you love it. We didn't want anyone to get mad at us, but we thought it'd be fun.
Yeah, it's great fun.
How was it?
Yeah, it's good fun. Good fun. I've been in one of these things for years. So
I really wasn't sure what I was getting. Between the highways on the sea.
Heck yeah.
Waiting for something to get to me.
Thanks, guys.
Oh, that was amazing. That was great.
She was a trooper, dude.
Huh?
That was honestly the best person. She used to ride in dune buggies in Australia, so this she was like,
from Australia. That's
yeah. All right, Mr. Incredible. You want the next one?
Sure. I'll take the next one.
You bring up some stoned guys like, what the hell? All right, guys, ride number 2.
Are you for lift? All right, this is your ride.
Was not expecting this, were you?
No, I was like, I didn't see no Nissan Sentra,
So you put that over your shoulder, and then you have this one as well, and you just clip something like that. And if you want to put your phone in pocket or something.
yeah, I am. So you have to go back out the same way you came in.
Okay, we'll turn around. It's gonna get a tad bit windy.
I bet. I'm about to put my hood on. So you made this yourself?
We bought this buggy as it is, and then we did the turbo install we put the turbo on it, it was doing pretty great.
Yeah. It's right here. That little Nissan Sentra, the real Nissan Sentra.
The real Nissan Sentra.
Look at my seatbelt. Huh?
I said you froze.
Yeah, it's cold here, but it's fun.
Oh no, I'm saying. Oh okay, yeah, I was saying your screen was frozen.
Oh, you see what kind of seatbelt I had to put on, man?
What is that? What you riding in?
I'm riding in my lift.
A dune buggy.
A dune buggy. Look at my driver. He got on a onesie. Either I can ride in this or
Oh, she's loving it. She on video chat with someone. How was it?
I like
You like it?
If I would have known I was gonna ride in there, I would have put on some warmer clothes.
See, we got another ride.
Okay, I'll get you some candy. Thank y'all.
Thank you so much.
It's nice meeting you.
Have a good evening. Dude, we're making days, man. We're making
Instantly
days.
after dropping off this one popped up. I didn't even know I accepted it, and I was like, oh, we gotta go pick up another person.
Yeah, man. So 2 for 2. No one's been pissed off yet. Hopefully we get 3 for 3. Let's go, boys. Okay, rider number 3.
Number 3, wow, and they've just been back to back to back too. Like once we got one, we got another and another. So
Yeah.
we're parking.
Hey, did you order a lift? You mind riding in a dune buggy?
No, I did not. Anywhere good?
Yeah, you sit up front. Come on, man. Zach,
How's
my
it
buddy
going,
Justin's
man?
in the back car
Gotcha.
as a chaser.
Gotcha. I was wondering.
Yeah, I was telling you, I was like, wait, he's over here. How's your day been going, man?
Pretty good, man. Pretty good.
I guess you weren't expecting to get picked up in a dune buggy
I was
today?
not, no. Not at all. That Nissan Sentra.
Yeah. So you going to work?
Yeah, exactly. That's exactly where I'm going.
Might sound a little bit different because this one's turbo. We've been driving this thing all day.
Gotcha. How much longer are you going to drive this thing for?
Probably another hour.
Gotcha.
About another hour, then we'll get back because then it starts getting really cold.
Yeah, no, you're not wrong. You're not wrong. Have you guys been pulled over yet? I'm about to say, here in this town, you get pulled over for pretty much anything.
We've had this buggy for like 2 months now, and we're yet to get pulled over, thankfully. Buggy so far?
Yeah, hell yeah, man. It's pretty great.
We going straight? We're going straight, then we're about to take a right. There you go, my man.
Alright, well, thank you so much, man. You take care, man. Take it easy, man.
He's already having a full conversation over there.